Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a brochure in Canva. Let's get started. Begin on the main page of Canva. Head over to the search bar and type in brochure. Select the dimensions that fit your project. You can choose a template or start with a blank page. For this demonstration, we will be using a template. Let's start by selecting one that suits our needs. Customize your chosen template by clicking on it. This will open a new tab where you can edit the template to suit your needs. You can change text, such as phone numbers, addresses, website links, and more to personalize it for your project. If you want to change a picture in your brochure, double-click on the image you want to replace. You can edit the existing photo or delete it and upload a new one. To add elements like logos or images, simply click on the element you want to add. Then adjust the size and position as needed. Once you have customized and edited your brochure to your satisfaction, you can save and download it. Click on Share and then download it. Choose the file type you prefer, such as PDF, then click Download. That's it! You've successfully created a brochure in Canva. Thank you for watching.